Hello everyone. In the last class we will discuss the exercise 4.1 up to 6th questions. So in this class I am going to discuss the 7th question. In the 7th question again here we have a sub two questions A and B. Let's discuss the question A. Here they given a figure. We have to find the angle x plus y plus z. Just observe this figure here. Here this is the x angle, this is the y angle and this is the z angle. These angles are the exterior angles of this figure. Here the word exterior means outside. Here just observe this x. Here this is the triangle. I'll give the name as A, B and this point as a C. Here this is the triangle A, B, C. Here in the triangle ABC you can easily observe that X, Y, Z are the exterior angles. This means X, Y, Z are the outside of the figure. These angles are outside of the figure. Whereas just observe here 90 degree and 30 degree which are inside of the triangle. Here 90 degrees inside of the triangle and 30 degrees also inside of the triangle. Here 90 degree and 30 degree are said to be interior angles because these are the inside of the figures. And x, y, z, these angles are said to be exterior angles because these are the outside of the figures. Here in triangle ABC, the side AC is extended. When the side is extended, it forms exterior angles. Same as this is the angle AB. Okay, this is the side AB. Here the side AB is extended up to here. When it extended, it forms a exterior angle Y. Same as in the triangle, we have one more side BC. BC is also extended. So, it forms a angle Z. These exterior angles in the form of linear pair angle. Just observe here angle x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. It is a form of linear pair angle. Angle B plus angle y is equal to 180 degree. Here they are not given. Here interior angle is a question mark. And plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. It is again a form of linear pair of angles. This means we have to find the exterior angles. X plus y plus z, we have to find this condition. So let's start the solution. Here we have a triangle A, B, C. So right here in triangle, this is the solution. Okay, in triangle A, B, C. Okay, here we have to find the angle B. Here they given angle A is 90 degree, angle C is 30 degree. We don't know the angle B. We have to find the angle B, which is the form of sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. This condition is said to be a angle sum property of triangle. Already we discussed in the last class. So here we have to apply the angle sum property, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because here right here is because angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. Here angle is what here? 90 degree. So right here 90 degree plus angle B. They are not given angle B. We have to find the angle B. So keep angle B as it is. Plus as it is. Angle C is how much here? 30 degree. Which is equal to 180. Angle sum property of triangle is 180 degree. Here 90 degree and 30 degree is the constant. Just add here 90 plus 30 is how much? 120 degree. Plus angle B we don't know value. Here we have to find the angle B. So keep angle B as it is. Which is equal to 180 degree. So 120 degree is the constant. When it goes to the right hand side, plus sign become a minus sign. So keep angle B as it is, which is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. So angle B is equal to how much we get here? 180 degree minus 120 degree is 60 degree. So this means we got angle B is 60 degree. Angle B is how much here? 60 degree. So when we applied interior angle for angles and property of triangle, we found the angle B is equal to 60 degree. Here we know the all interior angles values. Next we have to find the angle X, angle Y, angle Z. Here these angles are the exterior angles. So let's observe this X and 90 degree. These are the form of linear pair angle. Already we discussed it in the last class. So what is the condition of linear pair angles? The pair of adjacent angles whose sum is 90 degree. So just observe here, 90 degree and X are the adjacent angles. When we add up to these two, we get a 180 degree. So for X, Y, Z, for solving a value X, Y, Z, here we have to apply the condition linear pair of angles. Yes, it is a figure. This is A and it is a angle B. Here they given a X and it is given a 90 degree. Same as here, A to B, A to B. Here one side is a 90 degree and the other side is a X. Just observe this one, which is a form of linear pair angle. The adjacent angles is always equal to the sum of adjacent angle is always how much here? 180 degree. So right here, angle X plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree, because here we are applying a linear pair of angles. Here this is a form linear pair of angles. So X and 90 degree are the adjacent angles whose add up is always equal to 180 degree. So 90 degree, we have to find the X value, keep X as it is, which is equal to 180 degree. And when 90 degrees goes to the right hand side, plus 90 degree become a minus 90 degree. So X is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree is how much? Again it is a 90 degree. So angle X is equal to how much we get here? 90 degree. So angle X is how much here? 90 degree. So here which condition I am applying here? Linear pair of angles. For solving exterior angles here, X, Y, Z, I am going to apply the linear pair of angles condition. Next we have to find the angle Y. Again I will draw the figure like this. Just observe here, they given a CD line. Yes, it is a CB, and here we have a form CBA. It's like this only, no? Okay, CBA. Here they given one angle is a 60 degree, another angle is a Y, which is a form here. Just observe AB and B's line is extended here. AB's line is extended here, and CB. It is a CB. Here angle ABC is how much? They give 60 degree. Angle CB, give any name as here Q. Okay. Angle CBQ is a Y. Here we have to find the angle Y, which is the form of linear pair angle. So 60 degree and Y are the adjacent angles whose add up is a 180 degree. So right here 60 degree plus angle Y, which is equal to 180 degree, because this is the condition of linear pair of angles. Here just observe, this is a form of linear pair angles here, ABQ. Okay, ABQ is the straight line and CB is the ray which is intersect to the ABQ. 60 degree and Y are the adjacent angles. When we are going to add up these two, its sum is always 180 degree. This is the definition of linear pair condition. So 60 degree plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Here we have to find the Y value. So keep Y as it is. 60 degree is the constant number. When it goes to the right hand side, plus 60 degree become a minus 60 degree. 180 degree minus 60 degree. So angle Y is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. So much here? 120 degree. So here angle Y is how much we get here? 120 degree. Using the condition linear pair of angles. This is a figure of linear pair of angles. Okay. Next we have to find the angle Z. So again, reason here, because which condition I am applying here? Linear pair of angles. Okay. Again here I am applying the same condition, linear pair of angles. Here this is a extended line. You may give any variable name. I will give a T. Okay. So here TCB is the straight line. Just I will draw the rough diagram here. Here TCB. TCB is a straight angle and CA is the ray which is intersect to the line TB. So TCA, okay, it is the CA. CA is intersect to the line TCB. Again here we have a one side TCA. TCA, what is the value here? Z. ACB is what here? 30 degree. ACB is 30 degree. Again which forms a linear pair of angles. Again which forms a linear pair of angles. We are using a reason a linear pair of angles. Here Z and 30 degree are the adjacent angles whose add up is always how much? 180 degrees. Right here Z plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree because it is a condition of linear pair of angles. You can observe the figure. I am drawing a figures as a stepwise. For X, which is the figure this one. For Y, which is a figure of linear pair condition figure like this. For Z, which is shape of linear pair of angles. Okay. Here 30 degree is the constant number. When it goes to the right hand side, plus sign become a minus sign. So Z is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree. Z is equal to 180 minus 30 is how much here? 150 degree. This is our solution. Angle X is 90 degree. Angle Y is 120 degree. Angle Z is 150 degree. Here we found the extra angles X, Y, Z. Here what we have to find? X plus Y plus Z. Here we have to add the all angles here. To find what we have to find here, therefore X plus Y plus Z, which is equal to angle X is how much here? Which is 90 degree. Here addition. Angle Y is 120 degree plus angle Z is 150 degree. So 90 degree plus 120 degree plus 150 degree is equal to how much? 360 degree. Therefore X plus Y plus Z is equal to 360 degree, which is our solution. Here I am applying only a two steps. Is interior angle for angle sum property of triangle is 180 degree. Next I am applying a linear pair angles for solving X, Y and Z. Here I am applying only two steps. So this is the solution for 7th in that sub question 8th solution.